Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be repainting Kennedy's accent wall and just painting it back to its original color. I always knew when it was time for us to move out of here that it was in our lease to repaint the wall back to its original color. So that's what we are going to be doing today, as well as painting other trouble areas that are in her room, because there are plenty of them. But right now I am just prepping the paint roller, because even though they say that they are lint free, sometimes they're really not. So I just like to take the blue painter's tape and roll it on the paint brush just to get any excess lint off. I got this paint from maintenance years ago, and I didn't know if it was bad or not, but I took it to Sherwin-Williams and they shook it up for me and told me to run it through the cheesecloth or the strainer into a clean bucket, just so I can avoid any like paint boogers or lumps that's in the paint. So that's what you see me doing here before I begin painting.
I was worried you blow up my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, alright. This very finger for people like them. Oh no. Well, darling, on my mind,
guys, I am not a professional painter. I used to be in my past life when I used to go to work before the kids, but I totally forgot some of the steps that I needed to be doing, and as soon as I started painting this trim, I realized that this wall needed primer and not just regular paint. So yeah, it's going to take us quite a few coats to get rid of this gold and pink stripe successfully. But you will see, just, keep watching. It does come out right in the end.
No. The way you make me glitter, you drink me like liquor, keep painting the picture, alright. No, I don't care much for people like them. Oh, no. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky, oh. It's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good, oh.
As you can see, Kennedy started falling out because she couldn't help paint, so we let her help paint. But thank God my husband came in and helped me paint the room, because I probably would have been here all day just trying to get the whole room painted. And he was the one that originally painted this nursery. It was Kennedy's nursery, which is kind of bittersweet, you know, taking this wall down. But yeah, I got the inspiration off of an Etsy picture. I'll insert the picture here, but yeah, he painted it for me, so I'm glad he repainted it back to its original color for me, because I really, like I said, it would have been all day. So as you can see, as I started taking these adhesive butterfly sticker things off of the wall, it started to rip the paint. And in a perfect world, you would spackle this, let it dry, sand it, and then paint. But because we are not trying to get a professional look, we're just trying to cover up what we did in this room. We just literally are going to paint it. And with a few coats, I want to say like 3, you cannot even tell the difference or that anything was there. But obviously, I'm going to be honest. I would never just paint over this in my own house that I own. So again, I'm going to suggest you guys do as I say, not as I do, and take the time to spackle and sand and then paint. But like I said, it still came out good in the end, and you'll see at the end of the video. You can't tell. Same thing with this wall. The command strips, they were good, they were perfect, but one of them did leave a really big mark. But besides that, like 1 or 2 command strips leaving a spot on the wall, these command strips are really, really good. They're the Velcro ones, and if you know how to take them off the wall, see, I did that. That was my mistake, how I pulled it off the wall. But if you know how to take these things off the wall, you won't have no problem with command strips.
See your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time. When you say you want me for life, was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya. Begging on my knees from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me, your love.
But yeah, guys, this is how the room turned out. I think it looks pretty good, and don't worry, the baby did not sleep in here this night. We wanted to let the room air out before we put him back in here. But yeah, I think it turned out really good again. And as always, I appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.